Welcome to the Great Garden channel. If you're new to orchid care and want your garden's orchids to stay healthy, lush, and bloom beautifully, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you an incredibly simple way to make a natural fertilizer at home. With just a few familiar kitchen ingredients, you can create a fertilizer that not only strengthens roots and leaves, but also helps flowers last longer, with brighter, more vibrant colors all season long. The best part is that this method is completely safe, easy to do, and anyone can try it at home. If you're looking for an effective way to care for your orchids without relying on expensive fertilizers, stay with me until the end of this video. I'm sure you'll be amazed by the results. Let's get started. First, to help the orchid absorb organic fertilizer as effectively as possible, I gently water it with clean water. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. This isn't just a token step, it's an important way to rinse the growing medium. As the water soaks in, it evenly moistens the medium and washes away dust or salt deposits on the roots and pot surface, creating a cleaner, more open environment around the roots. At the same time, that moisture helps tender root tips open up, waking up the root system and priming it to take in nutrients. Thanks to this, the organic fertilizer applied afterward penetrates deeply and spreads evenly. So, the plant absorbs it better, grows stronger, keeps its leaves glossy, roots firm, and, especially, blooms more regularly with longer-lasting, more beautiful flowers season after season. After watering, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes, so the roots have time to soak up and absorb the water optimally. Next, I'll use garlic as an ingredient. Garlic helps fight bacteria, limit fungal diseases, and harmful microbes in the orchid's roots, while also stimulating strong root growth, glossy leaves, and abundant, long-lasting blooms. A natural and safe method for the plant. I use 6 cloves of garlic, then finely chop them. Chopping the garlic releases its antibacterial and antifungal compounds, preventing harmful bacteria and mold from affecting the plant. At the same time, the nutrients dissolve more easily, promoting strong root development, lush green leaves, overall plant health, and vibrant, even flowering. Then, add the chopped garlic to a jar. Pour in 500 milliliters of warm water. Cover the jar and let it sit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, strain the mixture, discarding the solids and keeping the liquid. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Next, I'll use honey. Honey helps stimulate orchid root growth, increases nutrient absorption, and supports even blooming and long-lasting flowers thanks to its natural vitamins and minerals. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to the mixture and stir well. Then add 1 liter of clean water to dilute it, and that's it. The solution is ready to use as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchids right away. Method 1. First, I pour the garlic and honey solution into a small cup. Then use a soft cotton pad to gently dab the liquid and start wiping the leaves. Cleaning the leaves isn't just about removing surface dust, it's an important care step that helps prevent the growth of mold, bacteria, and hidden pathogens. When the leaves are clean and well ventilated, the nutrients in the solution can easily absorb through the stomata, stimulating photosynthesis and metabolism, resulting in lush, glossy, thick, and vibrant leaves. Garlic provides a high level of natural compounds that inhibit bacteria and fungi, creating a biological protective layer for leaves and roots against harmful agents. Honey adds vitamins and minerals while supporting the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the root environment. This strengthens the roots, enhances their ability to absorb water and nutrients from the medium, and nourishes the entire plant, leaves, roots, and flowers, promoting balanced and sustainable orchid growth. Perform this once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month. Gently wipe to allow optimal absorption of nutrients, protect the leaves, and maintain the orchid's vibrant green and healthy appearance. Method 2. Pour the garlic and honey solution into a specialized spray bottle and mist evenly over the entire plant, including leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Misting helps maintain optimal humidity, while allowing the nutrients to penetrate deeply into all parts of the plant, stimulating strong root growth and improving nutrient absorption. Honey nourishes beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium, while garlic creates a protective layer on the leaf surface, limiting harmful mold and bacteria. During the initial care phase, mist once a week to provide continuous nutrients, helping the plant recover quickly and develop fully. Later, reduce the frequency to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain overall health, ensuring the orchid grows sustainably and evenly, preparing it for long-lasting, vibrant blooms. Then, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the roots and leaves have time to absorb water and nutrients. After about 15 minutes, if you notice water still lingering on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it dry with a soft cloth or clean cotton pad. This small step is very important as it removes tiny water pockets on the leaf surface, crevices, and axils, areas that create ideal conditions for mold, bacteria, and pathogens to grow. By drying the leaves, you proactively cut off the breeding environment for harmful agents, significantly reducing the risk of leaf rot, tip rot, and other microbial diseases. Moreover, wiping the leaves acts as a natural protective layer, keeping the surface clean, opening the stomata, and limiting bacterial and fungal invasion through the epidermis. With dry leaves, the plant maintains overall health more effectively. The roots function optimally, nutrients are evenly transported, and photosynthesis proceeds efficiently. As a result, the orchid not only grows lush with glossy leaves, but also gains stronger resistance, produces buds more easily, blooms uniformly, and flowers last longer each season. Method 3. Next, pour the garlic and honey solution into a specialized watering can. And start watering around the base of the orchid. This method not only supplies the plant with essential natural nutrients, but also promotes overall growth from roots to leaves, helping the plant balance nutrition and enhance vitality. The natural compounds in garlic inhibit harmful bacteria and fungi, protecting the roots from pathogens, while honey provides vitamins and minerals, and nourishes beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium. As a result, the roots grow strong, absorb nutrients efficiently, and maintain a stable environment in the substrate for the plant. When the plant is well nourished, the leaves become lush and glossy, the roots are strong, and the flowers bloom evenly and last longer, ensuring sustainable growth and a vibrant display for the entire orchid pot. Apply this method once a week during the recovery phase, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain nutrition, improve substrate quality, and create an ideal environment for maximum nutrient absorption, ensuring full, healthy growth and preparing the plant for beautiful, long-lasting blooms. I'll pour any leftover solution into an ice cube tray and store it in the freezer for longer preservation. Once the solution is frozen into small cubes, every 2 weeks or once a month, you can simply take out 3 to 5 cubes. Place them in a cup and wait 15 minutes for the cubes to melt back to room temperature. After 15 minutes, pour the melted solution into each orchid pot. The natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds from garlic, combined with the gentle vitamins and minerals in honey, are easily absorbed by the plant. They support root growth, strengthen resistance, and stimulate lush, green foliage. Alongside using this organic solution, you should also pay attention to where you place the pot. Keep it in a spot with gentle light and good airflow so the leaves can photosynthesize efficiently, produce chlorophyll, and stay vibrant. Avoid placing the pot under harsh direct sunlight, as it can cause the leaves to yellow. Results. After 2 months of consistently applying the garlic and honey solution, the changes in the orchid became strikingly clear. New roots appeared in abundance, thick, healthy, and firmly anchored into the growing medium, with a noticeably improved ability to absorb nutrients. The leaves turned a deep glossy green, became thicker, and showed almost no signs of yellowing or disease. Young shoots grew strong and vigorous, while the stems became sturdier and far less prone to pests. Especially orchids that previously struggled to bloom have now started producing flower buds, while those already in bloom keep their flowers longer, with colors that are richer and more vibrant. Overall, each pot looks full of life, growing steadily and getting ready for a season of abundant blossoms. These are the very orchids I've been caring for entirely with organic fertilizers. Let's take a moment to admire the naturally vibrant, long-lasting flowers in full bloom. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.